In this video, we're going to walk through how to manage your community members, assign admin roles, and keep your space engaging and well-organized. All right, let's dive in. First, log into your course platform. Head over to Community, then click on Members. You'll see a list of everyone who's joined your community. Now pick any member and click View Member. If they've posted anything before, you'll see all their posts listed under the Posts tab. Under Rooms, you can manage their access, so if you've got paid or invite-only rooms, you can add or remove them from those right here. Already given them access? You'll see that reflected, and yes, you can revoke access too if needed. Next, the User Profile tab. This is where you'll see their bio. Every community member can fill this out from their dashboard. It's a nice way for others to get to know them. If you scroll down a bit in the Profile section, you'll find Badges. Here's a quick rundown. Moderator badge. Give this to anyone you want to make an admin. They'll be able to moderate posts, remove members, post as you, all that good stuff. Founding member. A nice way to recognize early supporters of your community. Rising star. This one's for your frequent contributors. Top contributor. A step up from rising star. It's for those who are super active and consistently adding value. Group expert. Assign this to a team member who really knows the ins and outs of your platform and can help answer questions from other members. Once you've picked the badges you want to assign, just hit Save, and they'll show up on the member's profile. Now let's look at the Memberships tab. If someone's purchased a paid community or room, you'll see their access details here. From this screen, you can also cancel their membership if needed. Need to remove someone from the community entirely? Click the three dots next to their name and select Ban Member. Once banned, they won't be able to access the community or post anything. If you ever want to unban someone, just go back to Community, Members, then Banned Members. Find their name, click View Member, then hit the three dots again and choose Unban. Quick recap. To manage your members, go to Community, then Members. From there, you can see everyone, active and banned, and even search for specific members using the search bar. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.